Too many clicks, too much scrolling, and customers leaving early. That's exactly what a mega menu helps you fix. Welcome to Pebble Tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to build a clean, visual mega menu in Pebble Shopify theme. A mega menu displays multiple columns, links, images, and featured content in one easy-to-scan layout, helping customers find products faster. Now, let's take a look at a couple of real examples. With Pebble Mega Menu, you can showcase products, add banners to collections or pages, and highlight eye-catching headings or badges. Now that you know what a mega menu is, let's walk through how to set one up in your Pebble theme. The first thing we'll do is set up the menu structure in your Shopify admin. From your Shopify dashboard, go to Content, Menu section. Here, you can either edit your existing menu or create a new one. Add your main menu item. Then nest other menu items underneath it. Insert a link for each menu item. Use hashtag if you don't want to insert a link for the menu. Now it's time to bring your menu to life. Start by going to your online store, Themes, and click Customize next to your active Pebble theme. From the left sidebar, open the header section. You'll notice settings to select the main menu and mobile menu. The Pebble theme makes it easy to customize each one individually. Next, choose how your menu opens. You can set it to open on hover or on click. Once that's set, you're ready to start creating your mega menu content. Click Add Block and start customizing your mega menu using the available blocks. Let's start with the sidebar block first. Begin by setting the menu title so it matches the menu where you'd like to display the sidebar. Next, choose how many columns you want to control how your third-level menu items are displayed. On the right sidebar, you can turn on collection images. You can also turn on Use the first product image as collection image, which automatically pulls the first product image from each collection and uses it as the thumbnail. Don't forget to adjust the image ratio so everything looks just right. From here, pick a layout for the right side. You can choose with banner or with products. With products lets you feature up to 6 products for quick shopping, with customizable details, width, and columns. With banner lets you highlight promotions by uploading an image, adding a heading and button, and choosing a design style like bottom button, top badge, or content below the image. Now let's jump into the banner block. First, enter the exact menu item name where you want the banner to show up. Then, choose how many navigation columns you want for the menu items on the left. In the banner settings, you can upload an image, add a heading and button, and customize the design, width, and columns. For this example, we'll go with the content below image style. And on mobile, you can set the mobile columns to control how many banners appear in each row inside the menu drawer. And last but not least, let's finish up with the text with banners block. Start by adding your menu title, then adjust the block width so everything fits nicely. Next, add a heading and some text for the text column to share a little more context with your customers. Then head into the banner settings. For this example, we'll choose top badge. You can also tweak the button style to match your store's look and feel. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a powerful mega menu using the Pebble theme. Feel free to mix and match the blocks and play around with different layouts to match your brand. A great mega menu doesn't just look good, it makes shopping smoother and more fun for your customers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.